On October 27, 2024, an Arkansas police officer was flagged down by a store manager of a Casey's General Store. The manager advised the officer that a male outside the store was causing a scene by screaming and yelling at customers. When the officer attempted to make contact with the man, he continued yelling and walked back into the store behind the cashier counter. When the man was told he was under arrest, he resisted, and backup arrived. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody. Chill out. Chill out.
I am the victim here.
Got him.
I'm the victim here. I don't think on Casey's. I don't think so. It's I don't. What am I doing? What did I do?
Taser!
Put your hands behind your back.
Hands behind your back.
Hands behind your back. Let go of me.
Stop picking!
Let go of me.
Stop picking!
Stop! Okay.
On the ground!
Okay.
Right, Keith?
Oh.
Next day we're fighting more.
What do I do? I am the victim.
You want me to drive, son?
Yeah, go ahead.
What did I do?
All my leads broke.
No.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Watch my taser. I got some.
Okay.
You're gonna get it again.
Okay. I am the victim.
Grab him.
Okay. I'm done. What did I do? No. He's up.
You're gonna get it again. Quick.
No. No.
What's that leg?
You got shackles? I don't have
I
shackles.
don't have any with me.
No.
You good, Tyler?
Yeah.
What did I do?
Stop moving.
What did I do?
Next day we're 15.
No. This is not.
Stop moving.
What did he do? Somebody. No. This is not. Help me. No. No.
Is he getting leg shackles?
No.
Thanks.
You mind?
I got this right here.
Grab me again, I dare you.
Come clean.
I don't get tied in the middle of that, Tyler.
Yeah, I'm not. Raise this ankle.
How do you want to do this? Get a lamb?
No. This is.
Yeah.
Yep.
Watch the pro. Are you attached?
Yes.
No. Case.
1, 2, 3.
What did he?
What side?
What did he?
Hang on.
Stop right
What did he?
I can't get a grip. Ready? Stop.
Quit.
What did he do? He didn't.
Ready? Which
Oh
car?
God.
It'll be easier to get him on one of those.
Side.
No.
Feet.
No.
Probably feet.
You want to charge her so we get him on the other side?
What did he do? What?
He just left
Help
y'all.
me!
Oh, did he?
Yeah. Actually, you may because he's bleeding.
Hello!
Give me a second.
Help me! Mom! What did he do?
Relax. Quit kicking.
Dude! I didn't do it!
Slacking down to the thing. This dude's arguing with everybody.
I didn't.
I
I
wanted to
didn't.
talk to him. Try and get him to leave. I said, okay. He wouldn't even talk to me. He walked
Relax.
onto the highway. I said, dude, you better step out of my car and you're going to go to jail. And so you guys started walking
Relax.
away again.
I am
He
the
walked to
victim!
the store.
Dude.
I am the victim!
No. That
Oh my
lady,
God.
there was a lady right
They just
there.
want him off the property.
What? What?
Yeah, we're good.
I did not. I didn't.
Relax.
Hey man, I'm just trying to look at the
I
cut on.
didn't.
Okay, I'm just trying to look at the cut on your head.
Help
He's
me.
got a small one. He don't look up straight.
Yeah, he just on the way down there.
I did not.
On a rack. I mean,
I did not. I did nothing wrong. I did. I didn't.
spoke too soon.
I did.
Yep.
Oh my.
Freaking knew it.
No. Oh my.
It looks familiar.
I did not. I did not. I did not. They harassed me.
You guys get him ready to get him put in?
Mom.
Yeah.
We're going feed her first.
No. I did not.
Right head.
Either way, yeah.
I
Let's
did
try
not.
head first.
I did not.
just that small
I did not. I did not.
get it banded for us to get him up on
But I did not.
We're going feet?
Yep, feet first. I'm going to pass it.
Yep. Shuffle him in.
Ow! What did I do? What did I do? What did I
Go.
I wasn't me. I was coming up here to get Zins and she flagged me
I knew
down.
that it had been him.
I wasn't going to chase him. I mean, he was going to go to jail. But as soon as I pulled up right here to this spot and he was like against the wall, like freaking out. I was like, hey man, I was like, what's going on tonight? And he immediately just started beelining toward the road.
They're gonna need a restraint chair.
You want better here in a little bit.
I was gonna have y'all. I mean, I was gonna have y'all. I originally was calling y'all just so you could trespass from the city business. That's all I was trying to do. I was trying to get his ID and stuff. I'm gonna do a report anyways because of the use of force.
You going down there now?
Yeah.
I'll go with you.
Probably this side. This is where his head's at.
You gotta get in the chair.
Yeah, he's in there.
I didn't do it. I didn't do it.
Are you gonna chill out?
I didn't do it, dude. I wasn't doing it.
Evidently you are.
No. I did not do it. I being dragged out head first. I did not do it. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything, dude. I was leaving cases. I did not do it. I was just leaving cases. I did not. I was just leaving.
Man, all you had to do was talk to me.
All I did was, I walked away.
All I needed was your name and
That's-
birth.
Dude, all I did was that.
That's all I needed.
All I did. I didn't even resist.
What's his
I
name?
didn't.
Leftwood is my name. Leftwood. I have a stat
Don't ask me
that I cannot prove. I have higher credentials.
Watch those probes.
Or not.
I have.
I mean,
What did I do? I am a higher cred stat. 800 stories. All I did was ask for. That's it. Oh my God. No. I didn't do. What did I do? All I had the bracelet still on. I had the bracelet still on. All I did. That's it. All I did was. All I did. That's all I did.
5 of us were fighting.
That is all. It's all on the cameras. It's all on the
2 of the 4.
I got one more in my phone.
He's still dragging one.
You should still have 2 more in them. Yeah.
Sounds like a good man.
That could have just went a whole lot easier than it did.
Yeah.
He just wanted to be.
He should have had 2 in the front and 2 in the back.
That's it.
I think it's just wire.
Yeah, look.
No, he had
Who gave me my name?
he had 4 probes in them.
Yeah.
I got 2 out, so there must still be 2 in them.
I say I think there's 2 in the back still.
I did not have.
On the backside.
I did not have any drugs.
Because I tagged him in
No, I
each leg from the
Yeah.
front and then in the
I
back.
The
of the roller.
drive stun in the
I was
center of
still
the
a
back
victim
he
of
did
that.
not like.
I was still the victim
The
of
one
the
right
hospital.
here above the.
I was still the victim. All I had.
Look at all that wire.
I had a badge.
What did he
Still on
cut his head on?
the
That
floor.
wire, that wire rack.
The floor.
The rack?
Yeah.
On the floor. All I did. That's it.
Those are wagons.
All I did. All I did was one.
Is this Marion County or?
All I did. All I did
That's how he got here.
was walk away. I'm not even doing it now.
They said they got him in flipping.
Well, all I did.
Richard Lapre was arrested and charged with 3 felony counts of assault on a law enforcement officer, disorderly conduct, obstructing governmental operations, resisting arrest, and interference with a law enforcement officer. His bond was set at $5,000. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.